जिंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी। अमल से जिंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी। यहाँ की अपनी फितरत में नूरी है नारी। Respected principal, honorable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum to all. The title of my humble speech is the role of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal in the foundation of Pakistan. We cannot deny to the history of India is filled with the cruelties and hardship from the Muslim. We know that Hindus were larger in numbers. They always tried to commit any type of cruelty against from the Muslim of India. They tried to destroy the economy, the business, the trade, the education, even their belief also. दिल में खुदा का होना लाजिम है इकबाल, दिल में खुदा का होना लाजिम है इकबाल, सजदों में पड़े रहने से जन्नत नहीं मिलती। Respected audience, it is said when such circumstances are created, Allah Almighty grants the personalities like Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. These are the personalities who build the nation, who handle the decline of the nation by their hands and by having strong belief all. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है। Respected audience, some people say that Allama Iqbal is the poet of ease, some say he poet of Muslim, but in my point of view, he is such a great aspect who must be called the poet of humanity. At the end of my speech, I want to say that there are two main sources of Allama Iqbal dignity to gaining hearts or word in his poetry. Number one is the Holy Quran, and number two in his deep love for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In some verses of his poetry, Allama Iqbal says, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, तुम ख्वार हुए तारीक़े कुरान होकर। He also says कि मुहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मुहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या लोहो कलम तेरे हैं। Thanks to all.